Good morning, Walden Grove. I'm Jose Soto.
And I'm Jay Gatsby, and today is December 9, 2013.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated for a moment of silence.
There's only one birthday today, and that lucky fella is James Winninger. Happy birthday.
Please help the office staff help children in our area by donating mittens, gloves, scarves, and hats to keep little hands and heads warm this winter. All donations will be hung on the mitten tree in the front office. Office staff will deliver all donations on December 20th.
Staff Sergeant Daniel Villafana will be at lunch today. Stop by and visit him.
Seniors, new scholarships applications available in the counseling office.
That's all for today, Red Wolves. Stay tuned for a video.
Hey Carmen, what's up?
Not much, guys.
Hey Gordon.
What's your hat?
I couldn't find it all this morning.
Oh, you're stupid.
Yeah, I lost my ID this morning too.
Kenny, I can smell your breath from over here.
Yeah, it smells like dog crap.
Calm down. We'll buy you some gum at the Wolf Shack. Idiot.
Yeah, Carmen, it looks like you haven't eaten in ages, man.
Hey, shut up. I didn't eat breakfast this morning.
Yeah, well, we'll get you some M&Ms or something at the Wolf Shack.
Hello, children. Hey, Chef. What are you guys doing?
Oh, we missed the bus.
You guys need a ride somewhere?
Yeah. I go shotgun.
Hold on. Sorry, guys.
All right, Chef.
Hey, guys, I didn't see Cartman come in. Where's Cartman?
Oh, yeah, he jumped in the back.
Welcome to the Wolf Shack. What can I help you with?
Yeah, I forgot my lanyard this morning. Do you guys have any?
Yeah. I don't know
Gum?
what's the same. Yeah, we have gum.
Do you have any hats also?
Yeah.
And food. I need
Yeah.
food.
Oh, because Fatty needs his food.
Oh, shut up, idiot. At least they're for my lanyard.
Yeah, whatever, Carmen.
Hate you so much. Yes.
Alright.
Hold on, children. I gotta reverse real quick.
Oh, my God, they killed Kenny. You